Let's see how to install computer repair management top software. This software is useful for anyone who is working in computer field, who repairs a computer, desktop, laptops, printers. So let's see how to install this software. We'll provide you this folder in zip. So you can extract this and you'll have this folders inside it. So we already arranged them in steps. So let's start with step 1. You have to install crystal report in your system. So let's open and run the setup. Just normally install the setup. We install crystal report for your data reports. This will keep track of your data in a systematic way. All the information about product in or product out will be saved by this, and also all the printouts will be done by this. This is helpful for printouts and all. This will pop up, so you have to just click on register later, and the setup's installed. After this, let's go to step 2, this folder. We have already extracted the setup file, so just open this folder and run the setup.exe. This is our software, computer repair management software. Just install it by clicking next. Don't change anything, use default settings and install. Click yes and click on exit. This software is finally installed. There's an important thing. The icon of the desktop is for the older version of the software, so just select it out and remove it. So just remove or delete this shortcut from your desktop. So after installing the software, let's go to step 3. Open this. You will find this folder, computer repair shop management software. Just copy this folder and paste it on any drive other than the Windows drive, so that your data will keep kept safe if your Windows goes corrupt or anything. This folder has our database and updated software file. You can open this and run this file for the software, this exe. You can also right click on it and send to desktop for the shortcut for the quicker access. Also important thing, this folder is really important. You have to keep it safe because this contain your data, everything you store in the software, every information, product in, out, and all things are stored in this, so you have to keep it safe. Don't delete this. After you create shortcut on your desktop, you can just run the software normally. This will pop up unregistered when you open the software first time, so click OK and this registration form will appear on your screen. Now we'll register it normally. You can take on this 30 days trial if you want to trial the software. After this, you can contact us and get full software from us. So for now, let's take on 30 days trial. As you can see, this date will appear, today's date, when you install this software, and from now onwards the registration trial will be started. Now here is the machine response code. Click on show machine response code, and after clicking on that checkbox, the machine response code will appear. You have to copy this and you have to send us. After this, we'll provide you a fill activation code which you have to paste here. Click on check key. After that, your 30 days trial will be started. The software will only run when you enter activation code, so you can contact us and get your activation code. Also, you can give your PC to us on any desk and we'll do it for you. As you can see, we'll paste this activation key here, click on check key. As you can see, it shows key accepted, that means key is correct. After that, the confirmed checkbox will appear, so click on it and it shows registered, record saved successfully. So your 30 days trial will begin. Close this and run it again. After registration, the software will run. It will ask username and password. For this, just enter admin as in password, also admin, and click login. The software will started and all the information will show here. The cases that are received, process, everything will show here. This is the home page, and on top of it we will show various options. We already show you how to use these options here. You will find YouTube video link in the description below, how to use this software, all these options, how they are used. You can go and check that out, and that's how you can install this software. If you want to change your username and password, you can come on this account option, click on it and click on edit admin login. After this checkbox will appear. Click on edit and enter the old password, in this case admin. After clicking on verify, as you can see, this is saying enter new password and admin name. Now enter new password that you want to change. You can also change the admin to any name. After that, click on update and the data is updated successfully. You can just close it out. After that, you can enter your shop name by clicking on shop and shop firm company information. Here you can enter and fill all the details here. The information is filled this way. You can enter your shop name, address, city or district, state, pin code, email ID, number. You can enter two different numbers if you have two different numbers. Just don't leave any blank space here. Director name, you can enter your name. If you have a registrator number, you can enter that. Otherwise, you can just enter 00 dot abc, anything. Just don't leave any box unfilled. Click save. After that, your data will be saved. You can just close it out. After restarting the software, you'll see your firm name on the top of the software homepage. As you can see, welcome Gaurav Computers. And you'll also see every information you entered here. For now, we just install the software and we don't enter any information, so it's showing 0 cases, but for you it might be different. So let's just enter a dealer information. Click on customers dealer here and click on this option. Enter the dealer information here. Click on add new and enter the respective information that has been asked here. You can enter the information like this. In the name, you can enter the name, address, mobile number. Also, if the dealer has email ID, you can enter one here. Otherwise, we'll already feed a demo one here. For this case, let's enter PCS only. You can enter anything, any email ID of the dealer. Also, we have this checkbox here as customer or dealer. As we are entering the dealer's information, so we have ticked dealer. After that, this option will unlocked, so we'll enter the shop name and address of the dealer, and after filling all the information, just click on save. This pop-up will appear, record save successfully. Click on OK and you can just close it out. Also, if you want to add customer information, let's see how to add one. Come here, customer dealer information, click on add new and let's enter information, this time as customer. In this time we have to take on customer. After that the shop name and address will be disabled, cannot enter the information here as customer don't have shop name and address. Also this will show customer and the registration date as usual. After filling all the information you can click on save. Again the record saves successfully, you can close it out. And that's how you can fill dealer information and customer information in this software. If you want to search some customers or dealers information, you can do the same by clicking on customer dealer option, and you can ask him his mobile number, and you can enter this on this checkbox, the search record checkbox. For this time let's enter any customer's mobile number. You can enter anyone's mobile number, customer or dealer, if you want to verify his record has been already filled or not. Click on search, and as you can see all the information related to this mobile number, the customer itself or the dealer will show up here, and you can verify the information. Also if you want to change some information, make some changes, you can search as usual with the mobile number, the information will show up, and you can click on update checkbox here, and you can update any information you want. For example, if I want to make change in this name, you can click on unlock, change the data. After changing any data you can click on update, and the data will update like this way. You can close it out, and that's how you make changes. As you can see the data has been changed. Also we have this next and back option. This will show the record. If you click on next, this is the second record, and this is the also the last record, so no record will be found after this. You can click on back to see the previous entry, as you can see, and this is the first record, so this is will not show anything if you click on back. So let's see how to enter product information. Click on this product option and click on product in, as we are entering the product. You can search the contact number. We already feed the customer's information, so we have to just enter his mobile number, and all the data will already filled here, as we have entering the customer's information, so dealer shop name and shop address will show not available. And in the right side you see display data are correct. Click on yes if the all data that has been shown is correct. After this new column will unlock, product registration number, job number. So this is the first job, you have to click on new job, and this will assign the job number to it. In this case this is number 1. After that form will ask you several information, you have to fill it respectively. For example, the first option is it's the product repaired before. This is asking if the product already come to you before or not. In this case let's take on no, and after this you have to come product name. We have some list of the products here. If your product matches with this list, you can click on it, otherwise you can also fill it. For this case let's go with laptop. Company you can select, if you this list has one you can select from this list, otherwise you can fill it. Let's go with Dell. Model number you can enter anything. For example, let's enter with Inspiron. In product information you can enter the information about the product. Now in product problem / work, this in this checkbox you can enter the problem of the product. We have also made a list of several problems, several common problems that will happen to the product. In the laptop case let's go with the no display or anything. And in this product problem detail you can enter the detail of the product, otherwise you can just double click on it and this will clear it out. Also this shows the product received date, you can change it out, otherwise leave it be because we are entering this information. So that's how you can fill the product in. Case number, name, company, model number, information, You can enter the service tag and every information. For example, if the customer is giving you charger, bag or anything with the laptop or the product itself, you can enter this here. In this way you can also remember it. And after filling all the information, on the right side you'll see confirm. Click on confirm and save, so your data will be saved. Also you can get this information print as a printout. Click on print, enter. This pop-up will show up, so enter the job number. In this case we already know this is the job number 1, so we'll enter 1 and click on show display. This pop-up will appear for if you click on this first time. Cannot open SQL server, this error. For now just click on OK, and the software will close it out automatically. So let's see how to set up this SQL server. As we already installed Crystal report, so we have to set up an SQL server. As we already copy a certain folder from step 3rd, this folder, so open this. Also this is important folder. Once again, don't delete it out, just make sure it will be stored safely. After opening this folder, you'll see this data folder. Open it. Open this job in report. This will open up in Crystal report application that we installed previously. Now this is the important thing. As you can see, this form will appear. This will come out as a printout. Also you can see the firm name here. In this case, this is showing our firm name, AKC World and Computers. If you want to edit this, you can edit it out yourself. Just don't change anything below here. You can change the logo, the name, address and the phone number. Also if you'll found this difficult, you can send your firm name, logo, mobile number and address to us, and we'll change it for you. After this we'll send the file for it to you, and you can just copy and paste it out. In this you can just double click on it and select the firm name. You can edit it out. For example, we already added Caro Computers, so let's add the same. And by this you can change the information. You can remove the information if you want to. Just don't change anything below this customer dealer option. You can just change this part. Again, if you find it difficult, you can just send your firm name and logo, address to us. We'll change it for you. I don't want this thing over here, so I can just select it out and click delete to delete it out. You can also do the same. Also I don't have logo this time, so let's delete the logo as well. And that's how you can change these information. This will show in your printouts. Now come up here on file and click on save to save out this file and close it. Also you'll see one more file here, job out report. You have to also make same changes in this file as you done in the job out report. So now let's see how to make an SQL server, the error we are getting in the software itself. For that you have to go on your control panel, click on start and you can search the control panel, otherwise you will have icon on your desktop. In this you will find administrative tools, click on it. After this folder will appear. You have to go on ODBC data sources. ODBC data sources 32-bit. This is important. You have to go on this 32-bit shortcut here. Just double click on it. After this pop-up will appear. Click on MS Access database and click on add. After this you have to find this access driver.mtb. Find this, click on it and click on finish. After this pop-up will appear. Also, if you don't find this MS Access driver in this 32-bit option, you can click on ODBC data sources 64-bit. You will find it there. The process will remain same. Also important thing, your computer should have Microsoft Office in order to do this process. In this source name, you have to enter LCIIT server. In this database option, click on select and go to that folder that we stored in the back drive, the database folder. Find that, click on this LCIT data, and after clicking on it, you'll see this two files on the left side. Select the bottom file, computer underscore shop, click on it and click OK. After this, your database has been selected. Click OK and OK to close it out, and your SQL server is ready to go. Now go to your database folder, this folder that we stored on the back drive. Open this, open LCIT data folder. In this, let's open job in report. Click on database option on the top left. Click on set location. After this, you'll find two databases over here. Just click on set location. After that, you'll have to click on ODBC, and you'll find LCIT server that we made just now. Click on it, double click on it. After double clicking on LCIT server, find a product registration file here. Just click on it and click on set. After this, you'll find this pop-up, click yes. Do the same process for customer registration. Click on it, set location, this pop-up will appear. Come ODBC, LCIT server, find the customer registration file right here. Click on it, click set, and again click yes, and this will set the location for the database. Click on done and click on file, save. Also, one more thing, you have to do same process for the job out report. Click on database and do the same process. Click on database, set location. You will find 4 databases right here, so we have to locate all 4 of them. So let's start with customer registration. Click set location, click expand ODBC LCIT server. We are doing this for customer registration, so click on customer registration, click set, click yes. For product registration, the process remain the same. Find the product registration in the LCIT server, click on it, click set, yes. Click on product process, set location, again find product process in this, click on it, set, yes. Same for the product out, set location, product out, set, and yes, and click on done, files, save. And now your software is good to go. You can get printouts from your software. Let's see. As you can see, we already filled one case, one product in information, and this showing 1. Also, we have entered the information of dealer and customer, so this is showing this. Now let's get a printout of the product that we entered before. Click on reports and product in report print. After this pop-up will appear. We already know that we entered product has job number assigned 1. We entered 1 here. Click on show display. As you can see, before we are getting error, but now it's fixed because we have set up the SQL server. This form will appear. You can get printout of this. Also, we have this export option on top of it. You can export this as PDF or any other file. You can get a printout of this. At this time our system don't have any printer attached to it, so it's giving us the error, but you can take the printout by clicking this information, this option here. Or also you can export this as a PDF file. For example, click on export PDF, click OK, and you can select the page range. For this, let's click on all and OK. After this will ask for the destination. For example, let's click on desktop. You can also change the name of the file here, so I'll enter job in report 1 and you can just save it out. Let's go on desktop. As you can see, the report has been saved to our desktop in the PDF format. As you can see, the PDF, this report has been saved in PDF format. You can just send it to WhatsApp or to anyone. Now let's see how to process the product. Click on product and click on product processing. After this window will appear. In this you can click on generate process number. As you can see, the product number will generated as 1, as this is the first process we are doing. After this new checkbox will unlocked that's ask you to enter the job number. We already know the product job number is 1, so we enter 1 and click on search product. All the information of the product will show here, like the product name, company. This already been filled by the previous job in process. Now if the product is not repaired, or the product is damaged, or we don't have the part to repair the product, in any of this case the product will not going to be repaired from us and it's going to return to the customer. So you can click on it accordingly. And as you can see, all the information been filled automatically. But if the product is repaired successfully or the processed successfully, you can click on this fourth option, repair estimate. This shows that the product is repaired. After that, the information is already filled. Click on yes. If the customer will agree to your estimate, you can click on yes. Otherwise, if customer disagree with your estimated, you can click on no. After clicking no, you can just enter the service charge here and click on confirm. In this case, let's click yes, because the customer has agreed to the estimated. And also this information has already been filled. You can change this information by double clicking on it. As you can see, it went blank. You can enter the information accordingly. In this case, product problem found, so I entered BIOS problem here. You can enter anything. Also you can change this information as well by double clicking on it. For now, let's leave it be. And here you'll see service charge, parts charge and total charge. You can enter it accordingly. For now, let's enter service charge 1000, parts charge 600. After this, the total charge will automatically sum it up. Also, this information, this three information right here, product problem found, solution and repairing notes, this will only been show to you. This will not show to the customer, because this will be kept as the record. If the customer is returned to you once again, you will have this record saved to you, and you can see the previous repair that has been done to the product. After entering this information, you can click on confirm and save. The data saved successfully, and you can close it out. So now the two steps has been done, product in and the processing. Now let's see how to out the product. For that, you have to click on product out. This window will appear again. You can search the product by its job number. For this, let's enter 1 and click on search. All the information is already filled by the previous steps. Now the new information that we have to fill is this repair product out. So now click on product out number, generate. This will generate a product number out. Also, it's not necessary that this job number and this product out number, this will be same. For example, you can enter in the 5 or 6 products at the same time, but you can get only 1 or 2 product in the processing, so your processing number will be different from your in number. And the same, if you out the one product, your out number will be different from your job number or in number. So this two number here, job number and case number, this is important, you have to remember this. You can also get printout of this, or you can attach them or write them on the sticker and attach it on the product itself, so you'll remember it. Because in every field, this will this has been asked to you to enter the job number, so this is important. And again, it's not necessary that these numbers will be same, job or the product out number. Also, there's also one field asking here, repair status. If the product after processing, the changes has been made to it, the charge goes up or down. For example, if all another repair has been done on it in the process itself, you can click yes, otherwise you can leave it be and click on no. For this, we'll click on yes, because after processing it, we'll find some other difficulties and we'll repair it, so we can note it out here. Just double click on it and enter information. You can just type anything here. Now click on show old due amount. Also, this information will enter the customer's information, old information. For example, if customer has old due amount, this will already been entered here, but in this case, this is the first job of the customer, so this dialog box will appear saying no record found. So just click OK. All the information has been filled automatically. Here this is asking received amount, so entered how much you are receiving from the customer. In this case, less entered 1000. The customer is giving us 1000. After entering received amount, click on all done. After that, the due amount, which is 600, will show in this balance amount. Click on confirm and save. Your data will be saved. Also, you can get a printout of this by clicking on print. Also, this asks job number. We already know the job number is 1, and as you can see, the data will appear like this. And that's how you can out the product. Just close it out, and you can get this information in reports as well. Product out report, and enter the job number 1. You will find the same report here if you want to take printout of it. Also, we already made the video about all these options. You will find that video link in the description. You can check that out as well. Thanks for watching.